to my dying day, will stand by every word of my testimony.
Johnny Depp files opposition to Amber Heard's request for a mistrial. Johnny Depp filed a motion to deny Amber Heard's petition for a mistrial after the actress alleged that a juror in her ex-defamation lawsuit had been selected without being summoned. But who will be attaining the verdict in their favor? And who has their bag full of actual evidence? Let's find out! Keep watching this video till the end to know more about it. In a post surfaced online on Reddit, a user expressed their thoughts on the matter, and it is very clear whose side of the table out of Depp and Heard is heavier. The user commented, "You can't just appeal because you don't like the verdict. You have to appeal on a matter of law. Her appeal isn't going anywhere." As followed by the ongoing thread on Depp filing in opposition to Amber's request for a mistrial, another user on Reddit said, "I'm sure her lawyers would be more than willing to accept funds from her to cook up some flimsy legal basis for an appeal, establishing grounds on the verdict given by the jury and accepted by the court and legal system widely." And a month after a Virginia jury found Amber Heard guilty of defaming her ex-husband, the legal work continues. Depp filed an opposition asking for the motion to be overruled. 3 days after Heard asked the judge to declare a mistrial in the defamation lawsuit brought against her, Heard claimed that one of the jurors who served on the jury was not meant to be there. Heard and her legal team had more than enough time before the trial started, and during the 6-week trial, when at least 2 alternates were available to investigate and discover the alleged new facts, according to Depp's attorneys, who claimed that Heard and her team were giving access to the pre-panel jury list in early April. A juror who Heard claimed was not called for jury duty was still eligible to serve as a juror in Fairfax County and was vetted by the court and the parties' counsel just as all the other jurors were, according to the petition. Additionally, Depp's counsel argued that Heard's motion for a mistrial, filed on July 8, was made 7 days beyond the time set by the court. The brief stated, "Though obviously dissatisfied with the trial's conclusion, Ms. Heard has established no reasonable cause to set aside the jury's finding in any way. Mr. Depp respectfully urges that the court should reject Ms. Heard's frivolous post-trial motions." However, Heard's attorneys asked the judge to overturn the decision and order a new trial, calling the verdict indefensible for a variety of reasons. She also requests a mistrial in a new demand submitted on Friday, arguing that one of the members should not have been permitted to sit on the jury. Twitter fans were also there to present their take on the entire matter, most of them expressing their opinion quite explicitly. A user tweeted, "There's nothing I love about me than logging onto Twitter in the morning and seeing that Amber Heard's appeal attempt has been denied. Consequently, I can't sleep well knowing that Amber Heard's appeal has been immediately denied." Another user tweeted, "Depp's account appeared to be more credible in the jury's eyes than Heard." Experts also concurred that, despite the fact that this jury's result appeared to be incongruous, appeal courts are frequently unwilling to re-evaluate credibility determinations made by juries. Rebecca Sullivan, a family law specialist in Washington, D.C., claims that anyone appealing has an uphill battle. The attorneys who talked to Time predicted that Heard's team would attempt to have the judgment overturned by claiming that the jury was swayed by events that occurred outside of the courtroom and that some legal errors were made during the trial. Also, Heard is currently the target of legal proceedings from New York Marine and General Insurance Company, in addition to asking for an appeal or mistrial in the Virginia case. That is all for today. Give us your thoughts in the comments below. Will Amber file for another appeal yet again after all the tries that she's denied before? Have you heard about our latest video?